Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 Chevrolet Suburban Z71. This vehicle is a 5.3 liter V8 with 355 horsepower, 383 pound-feet of torque, and has a 10-speed automatic transmission. You can also get a bigger engine in this vehicle. I believe you can also get a 6.2 liter V8 with more power and torque, obviously. You have a digital gauge cluster. You can see some various menus in there. Use your center screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Pretty easy to use. You have the little button shifter, or switch. They're more like switches, not even buttons. And you have a backup camera. Pretty big center console. A lot of space in there. Wow, you can fit a lot of stuff in there. Cup holders back here. Bose sound system. You also have a little wireless charging tray. As you can see, my phone in there. There's actually a pretty big wireless charging tray. Let's walk around this Suburban. Z71 badges on the side. Looks pretty cool. I really like the way these Tahoe and Suburban Z71s look. They got a cool look to them. Suburban looks awesome. And here are the tire or wheels. And here are the rear seats. You also have some AC controls for the rear passengers, plus you also have a wall outlet charger, which is really useful, and some USB-C ports. So that's kind of cool. You can charge your laptop or charge your phone faster with that wall outlet charger. And here is the trunk with the third row up, so you got a lot of space. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a Suburban. You can transport a lot of people in here and a lot of cargo. It's a really cool family vehicle. I really like the way it looks. Let's get it out on the road and see how it drives. Nice and smooth steering. I like that. And I like the black Chevy logo on the Z71s and RST products. It looks pretty cool. I feel really comfortable in this seat, actually, and you have a lot of legroom up here. Once again, it's a Suburban, so that makes sense. Decent acceleration. The bigger engine will definitely give you more power and acceleration, but this gives you good power as well, or response. 10 speed feels pretty good. I really like the ride height and the road presence that this car has. You definitely you're elevated above the road. You feel cocooned from the road in that sense, and as I said, the road presence, this thing really stands out. It's massive, it looks aggressive, it has red accents. It looks really cool. And I think the newer Z71s have quad outlet exhausts. Suburban premieres a quad outlet exhaust, which is really cool. But this one does not. The ride is actually quite smooth. It's pretty nice. And in the $50,000 price range on these 2022s and 2023s Suburban Z71s, you're really getting a lot of car for the money. You get a massive vehicle with pretty good features, looks really good, and you can transport your whole family, transport a bunch of people in it. It's really practical. It might be kind of hard to fit it into some parking spots or a garage spot, but other than that, it's quite practical. You can use it everywhere for everything. You also have a lot of cargo space too, even if you have all three rows up and are driving a lot of people around, right? So that is pretty cool to see. So you got a good amount of body roll in this giant SUV. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like the Chevrolet Suburban 5.3 Z71.